Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your vehicle from bicycle to a scooter on UberEATS, or if you would like to change to any vehicle in any case. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. As you can see, currently we have the main screen for the UberEATS application. Now, if you try to search it in general, you won't find the option to directly change it in the app. So, your first option will be to call the support center. Now, if you call them or you send them a message, they will reply to you directly and they will help you change it. All you have to do is provide the type of model that you would like to use, why you changed your vehicle, and what would you like to change it to. And that will be pretty much it. They will help you and save on you much time very quickly. Now, for some people, this option might be available for them. This is from the help center, but it depends from region to another. You can simply fill in this formula or fill in this application and you won't need to contact the support. But in my opinion, contacting support is much easier, saves on you time and hassle, and they'll be much more understanding. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.